Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ismail Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The rich culture, history, and the splendid historical and cultural monuments of our state of Turkmenistan have always generated great interest abroad. So, Turkmenistan's cultural and historical values are presented at large international events and other cultural mass gatherings abroad. One such event took place in the United States. At the North Davis Elementary School in Davis, California, a cultural day event was held where Turkmen youths studying at this school introduced Turkmenistan. The event took place on May 23, 2024, and was participated in by school students and their families from over 10 different countries who were among the organizers of the event. Each May, for what is now the 34th time, this event is held to introduce various states and offer national dishes. Representatives from Turkmenistan, along with those from China, Austria, Poland, India, Brazil, Korea, Japan, Chile, Iran, and Mexico, provided representation of their countries. Turkmenistan was represented at the school by Yusuf and Yunus Orazgylyjov, and at Davis Senior High School by Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov. The Turkmenistan stand was decorated under the slogan, Fount of Wisdom Magtim Guli Fragi, announced in our country, featuring a portrait of the great Turkmen philosopher and poet Magtim Guli Fragi to introduce him to foreign guests. Additionally, brief information about Magtim Guli Fragi's significance in world culture was provided to the attendees. Furthermore, in honor of the widely celebrated Day of the City of Ashgabat on May 25th each year, a picture of Ashgabat clad in white marble was displayed, and interesting information about our capital, which holds a worthy place in the Guinness Book of Records. Additionally, the event showcased the Awaza National Tourist Zone along the vast Caspian Sea, the world-famous dinosaur tracks of Kuytendag, the Garagum crater site in the center of the Karakum, and the Yangala Canyons within the Balkan region, providing fascinating information to international guests. The Turkmen Ahal Teke horses, Turkmen Alabay dogs, and Turkmen carpets, all national pride and treasures, also generated significant interest among the foreign guests. Turkmen handicrafts were displayed at the Turkmenistan booth. A special computer program within the Makul dictionary made learning some Turkmen words more interesting for children from various parts of the world. Additionally, several issues of the international Atavatan Turkmenistan magazine, published in both Turkmen and English, were placed at the Turkmenistan booth and gifted to guests, offering them a broad opportunity to learn about Turkmenistan. As another testament to the Turkmen hospitality, Turkmen alaja were gifted to foreign guests during the event. Within the scope of the Culture Day, guests were also offered Turkmen pilav and Turkmen desserts. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.